Hey guys, Will Kemp here, Lightspeed Construction. I'm out on a roof in Maryville, Tennessee, and we are building a cricket around a very problematic and poorly placed chimney. And I'm going to give you guys a quick peek at what this work should look like. This is kind of a special situation because this is a complicated cricket, but I'll give you guys a quick glance and walk you through a couple of steps of how we go about this. So as you can see, this chimney comes to the roof in several junctions at several different angles, and it's just pretty complicated. These guys were having some problems with water on this slope here, so we built a cricket out on this plane, just kind of channeling the water into a valley. Okay, and that valley will shoot that water out and on down the roof. And up here it got a little complicated, as this is more of a traditional cricket, but we had to do some serious changes of plane and put ice and water in these little valleys and flatter spots, and we're actually running a bead of sealant down each shingle so that it is water sealed as of today, just above the existing sealant on the shingle. We have some on the front that seals and some on the back. Here we've got our silicone bead. Guys, I think we are positive that this is not going to leak, and we are happy with this work. So here's a peek at a rather complicated cricket and kind of what this should look like when we are approaching finishing. This all gets counter flashed and then cut into the chimney as well. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.